Hey guys, so quick video for you is that you can't really skip cutscenes in Genshin Impact. Yes, you can use the auto clicker, but I heard somewhere that some people got banned for it if they use the auto clicker. And I was looking for a way on how you can skip the cutscenes, but I didn't find any answer for it. So I just want to make this quick video for you that possibly is not going to be possible to do it and to skip the cutscenes. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.